People think farming is slow and peaceful, but trust me, this is madness with feathers. From sunrise squawks to midnight eggs, welcome to the unpredictable, chaotic, and surprisingly hilarious world of my life as a chicken farmer. So let me take you behind the feathers, and believe me not, it is not what you expect. They say farm life is peaceful, but here, it is an excellent kind of chaos. Welcome to my world, where feathers fly, alarms scream at 5 a.m. and every day is a battle between me and about 50 hungry birds that need to be fed. Every morning starts like this, not with a coffee machine, but with a rooster auditioning for the voice. Look at them, they don't even say good morning. What they do is they scream it in surround sound. Now it is feeding time. This is the part where I risk my life, metaphorically speaking, just to pour some grains. If you ever wondered what being chased by 50 tiny dinosaurs feels like, this is it. Come, let me show you. So it is the cleanup time, what we call the poop patrol, okay? Yes, the glamorous life of a chicken farmer is about the poop patrol, because it really is around me. And in this side of the farming, they don't show you on TikTok, because what they show you is the good side of it. But now with us, we just have to clean first. We clean where they play, we clean where they walk, we clean everything, so including cleaning these feeders. I told you that Corobe Poultry Farm is a simple farm, because what we want to do is to motivate even people that don't have capital, huge capital, people that don't have resources, people that don't have big poultry houses, big numbers. We want to motivate them so that they can start small, just like the way we started here. If you want to check our first video, please, it is here on this YouTube channel. Go back and check how we started, and you can compare how we are progressing. So clean up time, let's clean. Time for midday checks with excellent surprises. Now, as you can see here, not all heroes wear capes. Some lay eggs and others sit on all the eggs like dragon queens. Sometimes I find maybe 12, 13, 14 eggs in one box and none in the other. Chickens are weird, right? Now look at this beautiful mother. She's sitting on her beautiful eggs, and sooner we are going to have babies. Then there comes unexpected drama, the escape artists we call them, and small fights here and there. And here comes the jailbreak. Every coop has that chicken, the escape artist, the rebel, the Usain Bolt of birds. And sometimes chicken beef is real. They argue like roommates who have lived together too long. After the chaos, they finally chill. Dust baths are their version of their Netflix and chill. Okay, it is also when I catch my breath, of course, before I come in for round 2. Finally, the sun goes down and birds go in. That's the rule. Miss one and you are playing hide and seek with a ninja chicken in the dark. Yes, it is messy, noisy, and of course, totally unpredictable. But I wouldn't trade it for anything. Now, if you liked this peek into the madness, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell me, will you survive a day on the farm like this one? Thank you for watching. This is your favorite channel, Corobe Poultry Farm.